I started journaling 10 years ago, and for the last 5 years, I've had a pretty consistent practice. Based on decades of research on writing in positive psychology, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 solid reasons why you need to start journaling today. Hi, I'm Akanksha and I'm a mental wellness educator and a mindful journaling expert. और अपनी workshops और courses में I teach people how to use journaling to release stress, discover themselves, build a positive mindset, and organize their life in a way that they can live more intentionally. If you'd like to know more about my offerings, I will put the link of my website in the description below for you to check out. With that, let's get started. So here are 10 reasons why you need to start journaling today. Number 6. Journaling helps you gain focus. You know, आपका सबसे important mental resource क्या है? It's your attention. And everybody is fighting for your attention. आपका past, आपका future, आपके जीवन के लोग, आपके goals, आपकी distractions, social media, every single thing is fighting to get your attention. And if you're not conscious of this fact, आप अपनी attention हर तरफ unintentionally देते रहेंगे. When you start to journal, you choose where you want to give that attention. And that, my friend, is extremely empowering. So instead of letting your attention go on all the faltu ka things, negativity and distractions and social media and opinions of people and all the complaints that you have, you can choose to focus on what matters to you. You can choose to focus on ideas and ways that serve you, empower you, and help you grow. In my mindful journaling course, I do exactly that. Take you through the journaling experience step by step so that you can discover these experiences for yourself firsthand. More on that at the end of this video. For now, let's go to number 7. Journaling helps you build a positive mindset. Now, because आप अपना attention journaling use करके जहाँ चाहे वहाँ डाल सकते हैं, you can choose to focus on the positive and the good stuff in life. You know, इतना research है on all these positive values and virtues like gratitude, self-compassion, kindness. If you use journaling to enhance these ideas in your mind and bring them to action. Number 8. Journaling helps you plan and organize. You can use journaling to set your goals, plan your time, make to-do lists, track habits, and overall organize your weeks or days. Writing down what you intend to do in your journal or planner makes your intentions more concrete and help you stay accountable. This makes journaling a great tool to be consistent, stay accountable, and be productive. I have created the Mindful Planner for exactly this purpose. I'll leave a link for you to check out both in description and somewhere here. There is also a detailed video on how you can use the Mindful Planner. I'll leave a link somewhere here and in the description below. Number 9. Journaling helps you with self-care. Journaling एक बहुत ही effective tool है to practice self-care and self-love in your life. You know, I so strongly believe that the best gift that we can give to someone is our undivided time and attention. और journal ही एक ऐसी जगह है जो आपको opportunity देती है खुद के लिए ये undivided time और attention देने की. So make sure you use journaling as an effective tool for self-care. Number 10 and final. Journaling makes you intentional. पता है, journaling really helps you choose for yourself. You know, journaling can help you be more intentional with your time, energy and effort. हमारे लिए बहुत आसान होता है distracted हो जाना. आपने notice किया होगा, मान लीजिए एक weekend आया and you know you had all these plans. I'll get to this hobby, I'll get this work done, I'll read that book, or I'll watch that movie, or I'll clean up my cupboard. When weekend comes, I'll do this. But weekend आया, or you know some friend calls you to meet up, or family member says कि can you come shopping with me or attend to some other task at home. And I'm sure this has been your experience. उसके बाद पता नहीं कहाँ गया weekend, right? Remember this. When you don't choose for yourself, someone else chooses for you. और ये ही सबसे बड़ा reason है that we live such an unintentional life. उस moment में तो हम ये accept कर लेते हैं कि हाँ चलो हम कर देंगे आपके साथ ये, चल लेंगे आपके साथ shopping. But you know, in the long run, this will make you regretful, resentful, irritated and frustrated. Don't you think it's a good idea कि आप पहले ही intentional हो जाओ instead of बाद में regretful होने के? So this is where journaling helps. It makes you so conscious of the choices that you're making over a period of time that you'll almost be forced to live an intentional life. And if you already don't know, living intentionally makes you more joyful and live a more intentional and fulfilling life. So those were my 10 solid reasons of why you need to start journaling today. And each one of them has come from the 10 years of journaling experience that I've personally had. And not only my experience, that of 10,000 plus people who have done journaling with me. Now, I hope I've convinced you that you need to start journaling today. If you would like to learn mindful journaling from me, I would invite you to check out my mindful journaling course. It's a pre-recorded, self-paced course with 30 plus journaling exercises that you get lifetime access to. In this course, I teach and guide you on how you can use journaling as a very effective mental health tool. We discover how journaling can be used to release stress and find emotional relief, how journaling can help you focus on the good things in life and build a positive mindset, and finally, how to build a consistent journaling routine. I'll leave the sign-up link in the description below. In case you have any questions, feel free to drop them in comments and I would love to answer them for you. That's all in today's video. I hope through this video I was able to inspire you to get started with your journaling journey. I have multiple journaling videos on my channel and here's a playlist you want to check out. I hope with these videos I inspire you to get started with your journaling journey. And I really hope the kind of transformation I've experienced in my life because of this tool, I can extend the same for you with all the content I share. That's all till we meet again. Keep smiling, stay happy, and remember to make your life a celebration. I love you. Bye.